Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to speed up or slow down a video on your iPhone. Let's say you've captured a video on your iPhone and you would like to slow it down or speed it up. Currently, iPhone does not have any pre-installed app that can do that for you. So in order to do that, you need to first download an app called CAPCUT. This is a free app from the App Store. So go ahead and tap on the App Store, search for CAPCUT and download it. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once the application opens, tap on New Project at the top left. Now import your video, select your video and then tap on Add. You will then see your video on the timeline. Select your video clip from the timeline. Then from the bottom, tap on Speed. Then tap on Normal. Here you'll see the slider option to slow down or speed up the video. If you move the slider to the left hand side, it'll slow the video down. If you move it to the right hand side, it'll speed the video up. At the moment, as you can see, it is set to 1x, which means it's playing at a normal speed. To slow down your video, move the circle to the left hand side. Then tap on the tick at the bottom right. Now press play and review your clip. If you want to speed it up, again tap on the clip and then tap on speed. Then tap on normal. Move the circle to the right hand side to 2x, 5x or 10x. When you move the circle, you'll see your clip shorten as per the timing. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and tap on the tick at the bottom right. Now play your video and review it. Once you're happy with the result, go to the end of the timeline, select the black screen which CAPCUT adds, then tap on Delete to remove it from the timeline. Now we'll export this clip so the settings which you've applied get saved on the video. At the top right, make sure 1080p is selected. Then tap on the up arrow to export the clip. The clip will then start to export and it will be saved to your device once complete. Now go back to your home screen and open up your photo library. You should see a new clip appear with the new speed settings. And that is how to speed up or slow down your video on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.